Let's season our fish. I've got some garlic and onion powder. I've got some salt. And then we've got some black pepper. Set that to the side. Now into our pan, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter. We're going to let that melt and get hot. And now we'll add our salmon into the pan. Then we can go ahead and season this side as well. You just want to cook it for a couple of minutes per side. Keep an eye on the heat. You're not trying to get it super hot. You want kind of a medium heat, maybe just a little bit above medium. I'm going to turn the pan around, and that's only because it's slanted, because it's tilted. And so then that way this is going to come towards me. The oil will come back towards me. All right, let's see if we can turn this salmon. I'm going to need a spatula to get under these guys. So right now the salmon is at about 90 degrees. All right, so this thinner piece of salmon is already done. Set it aside on a plate. Looking for an internal temperature above 120. If you want your salmon cooked well, then you want to cook it over 130. Just let it cook. Don't be in a rush. Remember, control your heat. You might need to turn it down. You might need to turn it up. While we're cooking, we're going to use all of our senses. We're going to use our eyes. We're going to see what's going on. We're going to use our ears. We're going to hear what's going on. We're going to use our sense of smell to smell it. And if you can smell it start to smoke or burning, then you definitely want to lower the temperature or remove it from the heat altogether. All right, that guy's at 120.